My fly box is such a mess, but it's a sign I'm using it. And you know something? I love pike flies. There's so many different varieties. There's topwater, which is great when they're on the surface. Subsurface, there's jointed, there's weighted, black, yellows, oranges, combinations. What do you choose and when do you choose it? In this next segment, we're going to talk about the flies for pike fishing and what's best.
You need two types of flies at Keg Lake for pike. Large streamers in perch colors, white, and orange and black are good bets. My favorite pattern is the jointed double D tied by Pat Cohen from upstate New York. For surface flies, black is clearly my top choice. Large saltwater patterns that create a water disturbance are preferred as this attracts big pike. My favorite topwater pike fly is tied by Brad Bowen from Wisconsin. This pattern is known as the Thunder Chicken, and this fly is absolutely deadly.
When you're fly fishing for pike, one of the things you want to spend some money on is a good quality rod, good quality reels, and of course the fly lines that you need to pike fish. Different times of the year and different times of the day, the pike are going to be different parts of the water column, and you need the different types of fly lines like this floating line or this full sinking line to get down to the pike. Let's talk about the rods, reels, and fly lines you need to effectively pike fish.
For rods, you need fast action 9 or 10 weight models. I like saltwater rods as they have fighting butts and large stripping guides. You want fast action rods to help you punch large wind resistant flies in all conditions. For fly lines, I find two types are required. A floating line specifically designed for turning over big flies is critical. Specially designed pike lines are ideal for this. A full sinking fly line in type 4 or type 5 is perfect for quickly getting large streamers down in the water column. You want to get your fly down in the water column because often this is the kill zone for aggressive pike. I like using my saltwater reels with large arbors for pike. You don't necessarily need the drag system, but the size is perfect. Many times a pike will strike hard and run quickly. This leads to line burns on your fingers. I recommend stripping gloves or finger protectors to help avoid line burns. These work well for saltwater applications as well.